Assalamu alaikum Commerce Craze Hub. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that allows users to access and store data and applications over the internet instead of on local servers or personal computers. This means that users can access their data and applications from anywhere, as long as they have an internet connection. Cloud computing reasons. Cloud computing reasons: cost savings, elasticity, flexibility, security, data backup and recovery. Cost savings. Cloud computing can help businesses save money on IT costs. This is because businesses do not need to purchase and maintain their own hardware and software. Elasticity. Cloud computing can help businesses adjust their IT resources up or down as needed. This is because cloud providers have a large pool of resources that they can allocate to businesses as needed. Flexibility. Cloud computing can help businesses be more flexible in their IT deployments. This is because businesses can access cloud resources from anywhere in the world. Security. Cloud providers offer a variety of security features that can help businesses protect their data. Data backup and recovery. Cloud services offer automated backups and disaster recovery capabilities, helping businesses protect their data and quickly restore operations in case of a disruption. Don't wait, start learning now.